Okay, we're taking a look here at the HP OmniDesk Desktop. This is the R7. This one does come with 32 gigabytes of RAM memory, which is huge on a desktop. That's plenty enough memory. And it does have a 1 terabyte solid state drive. Here's the price on this particular desktop here and more of the specifics. It's got that Ryzen 7 processor. Windows 11 is built into this thing. It's got the Wi-Fi 6 Bluetooth technology, and it includes a mouse and keyboard with this thing right here. This is the mouse and keyboard you get with it, which is a nice little feature because a lot of times when you buy these desktop computers, you got to buy your own peripherals. Here's what it looks like on the side. You got a couple USB-C ports right there, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 different USB drives, a headphone jack, and then that's your power button right there. Clean look at desktop. Right there's your vents. Yeah, that's a nice looking desktop with a lot of power. 32 gigs of RAM on this bad boy, and 1 terabyte of solid state, which is a lot of room. So there you go. If you're in the market for a new computer and you have your own monitor, this might be an attractive option for you. This is the HP OmniDesk Desktop, the R7.